A reusable electrochemical test cell designed for battery material research. It allows easy assembly and disassembly of electrodes, separators, and electrolytes, making it ideal for coin cell electrode evaluation and electrochemical performance testing.